other thing I picked up, which I already did a video of, is new Lanzi claw. I'm surprised though. I'm not gonna do a whole video on this. I'll show you something else I got. They actually gave me one of these plastic holders. Right now, what's holding my camera is an aluminum one. These plastic ones are pieces of crap because it's, you put your phone in there and it's at high pressure and eventually you break and eject out the end. So yeah, thanks for the crap. This thing, it's all aluminum. Anyway, but that's not what I want to show you. This is what I got to show you. It's down here. Don't look down here. I don't have, whatever. So anyway, what I'm about to show you is something. Here's a story to this. I bought this. It's a DUO-MITE bender, and I looked on. This is the funniest thing. I looked on Facebook Marketplace, and I'm always searching bender and searching up vice, blacksmith, all kinds of different keywords, and you just look through, see what's available, what's cheap, what's in my area. Some stuff is always all the good stuff's in Ohio, for some reason, or way down in Pennsylvania. I guess some more industrial places. And so on Marketplace, I see this dude selling a DUO-MITE bender. So right away, I'm like, let's go to the manufacturer's webpage and see if they still exist. So I go on, what is it called again? Oxford General Industries, OGI. They still make this bender in 2 or 3 versions of it. I think it sells for about almost $400 plus shipping, of course. So I was like, that's a pretty good deal. It was $199. So I was like, So I send a message to the dude, and he's like, I'm like, do you ship items? And he was like, nope. I'm like, okay, oh well. Maybe I'll get one off because I've been looking at the Chinese versions and watching videos on YouTube just for flat bar benders, and some of the what do you call it, reviews just suck. Like it's just terrible. Like there's tall inches are terrible. I watched a video with this old Tony and like 5 other videos, the same benders, and for about 3 days I did one search for benders, and like, I don't know, 20 videos on every type of pipe bender and how to make your own bender showed up. So I didn't, just for the hell of it, I'm like, about a day later, I go on eBay. I'm on eBay and I see the same bender. I'm like, hey, wait a minute. I look, the pictures seem the same. So I open up Facebook, I'm looking, all the pictures the same. I'm like, wait a minute. So what I do? It says, make an offer. Well, what else would any good Samaritan do? I lowballed the thing and got it for, let's just say it wasn't the same price that he would have got. I would have sold it. I would have bought it $200 for ship, free ship. It was $200 on a Facebook Marketplace. I got it for a lot less than that on eBay with free shipping. So folks, don't be afraid to make lowball offers because they'll counter offer. So I made what I thought was a lowball offer, and I didn't pay $300 and something for it, and I got free shipping. Anyway, now enough talking, and I'll get to the bender. Bender. Here we go. This is a DUO-MITE bender. I'll show you that real quick here. And if you go on here, that's the actual company name. You can probably still use that phone number if you want to look at it. Go check out their website though. They still make, this thing's missing a few parts, just to say, there's the pins in here. And I'm not sure how the hell this thing's supposed to connect. I'm guessing it needs to go in a vise, but I'm guessing there's a, well anyway, here I'll just show you. On the bottom here, I'm not sure if this piece is supposed to be clamped in a vise, but I'm thinking these are, what do you call it? There's 2 holes here. I'll probably put a steel plate with a bar weld in the middle so I can just pop it in the vise and use it. I can't use it in this video because I don't have but it's nice and tight. It goes in and out like so. I will make a video. Not sure what the hell this does, but what does it do? What does it do? Does it take that out maybe? I haven't looked it over too well. What does this do? Well, it might be a little, put a little bar in there somehow. Is there space to put a little rod? There's 2 pins and a little rod thingy missing. I looked on and they still sell this, so I'm assuming I'll probably make 3 little pins, or 1 little pin. I have a piece of hardened 3/8 inch steel, I think, over there. Wait. So yeah, it goes this way. It goes this way. It's pretty cool. I'm guessing when I put a rod in there, it should work. And I don't know problem with these things is my lighting. No, just kidding. I find the biggest thing, my biggest pet peeve about these benders is, especially the ones that are, I keep reading. I read on there, and it says all the ones I'm trying to have the worst instructions. This one doesn't even have instructions on the maker's website. I do know one thing. I've touched and held some of those Chinese benders, and this one seems like it is made a hell of a lot better. Like, it's, you know, there's a little wiggle here and a little wiggle here, but I bought some Chinese stuff, and trust me, it feels like this thing has been hardened, and it's just, the tolerances seem a little tighter like this. And I know one I was looking at a store, it was a China, I don't know if it was Harbor Freight or somewhere. Well, it wasn't Harbor Freight, but the handle was all wobbly and everything was sloppy. This one seems like it's pretty cool. I can't, you know, say it for 100% certain, but I will attempt to test this. And I don't know what comes out or what. I should take it apart. Probably shouldn't take it apart. But it's all screwed together. And what can I say? Let me go get a rod. See if what size. Actually, I have a pair of calipers on there somewhere. No, I put them away. Let's use the fancy measuring stick. What size hole is this? Looks like it's a 1/2 inch. That's a 1/2 inch. Then that rod should be a 1/2 inch. Hold on a second. Note yourself. Oh, wait a minute. I think this is a 1/2 inch. This is a 1/2 inch. Nope, wrong size. What size is that? This is a 1/2 inch. Transfer punches. There you go, see? Just put the rod in there and ta-da! You can. There's a little block, a rod, and something else. So yeah, I think that one may be 5/8. Let me go check. Let me go check. Let me go check. Let me go check. It's the same size. Nope, but this bar I have is a piece of hardened steel from McMaster. Should take what I think something like 50,000 psi of whatever. So I should just go to what do you call it, Harbor Freight, and buy another transfer punch kit. I just use these and chop them off. I have 2 pins. So anyway, like I said, I got to build a little piece on the bottom, screw it down, and because I don't want to clamp it on it. I'm guessing it said it was missing pieces, so I could just take a 1/2 inch steel plate I have somewhere around here, put on the bottom. Do I have any piece of wire? Oh well. Anyway, that's pretty much it. I'll show you it up close here. See, it's a pretty cool device. I don't know if this pin comes out. I made it think it does. Hold on. Let me get a. I said I wasn't going to take it apart. I lied. Now let's see. I lied. Let's use the Craftsman Special here. Which one is it? Let's see. This one maybe? Nope. Nope, Z's. That one. There we go. Let's play with this toy here. I need something to. Maybe it's notched. Maybe it. Let's take this out and look. Find those notches? Nope. It's probably a come out now. I have a regular pointy punch. Pointy punch. Maybe we can pop this up. Maybe we can tap it up. It's probably rusty. That's what I'm guessing. Rusty, crusty. There we go. Ta-da, ta-da. Oop, there we go. So that comes out there. it's got a... If this was a piece of Chinesium, trust me, this thing would be not in there that tight. It wouldn't go in tight. Goes in tight. It's tack welded here. You can buy a different handle for this thing too. I don't know what that does, but I don't know what a newer handle would do. Clearly there's dirt all over this thing. It's shop dusty. So anyway, let's put the peanut screw back in. Am I gonna buy a new? Am I gonna buy some of these pens? I don't know. Okay, should I buy some, or shouldn't I? I don't know. Corrosion inhibiting slime. Let's see this. Oh, that's what I forgot to bring. I forgot to bring my can of lubricant. There we go. Spray this. Try what's that in there. Once we hold it right away. There we go. Oop, get that out of the way. There we go. Fits in there. Are you okay, guys? How far does it go down? Not very far. There's crud in there. Crud in the hood. See? Put that in too far? No. Is it supposed to be that far up? Okay, that goes that way. Let's pop it back out just for the hell of it. Ugh. Can't get it out now. Darn it. Yeah, let's use this. That'll fit. No, that won't fit. Let's use this again. Maybe it's this way. Maybe it just sits in there like that. Who knows? Maybe we should clean it out. That's a good idea. Seems like it. Oh well. There's like crud in there. So yeah, I'm gonna test it out and see how it goes. Anyway, I'll probably end this here because you're just gonna watch me tinker with this. So anyway, like, subscribe, tell me how you like this video, and I will test this bender out as soon as I make a new pin like this. I'm gonna probably make a few of them. I gotta go on their website and see what kind of pins they have, and I probably should use a hammer that's brass because I probably should put the handle back on, right? Duh. Okay, so yeah, let me knock this back out again, and I'll put it back together for you. There we go. So yeah, let's attempt. It's pretty, it's some tight ass. Let's put a little lube in it. A little bit of lube in there. Yeah, this is like, see, all the machines I've seen from the old China there were not as bad as this one. You can tell where they machined these. The tolerances work. Like this is tight. A lot of them were wobbly and not very. There you go. Put that on there, and where's the little driver? There we go. So yeah, it moves. It's got like, I'll put it like this. This thing is snug. Like whoever designed this thing fits in there like just perfect. Like there is no wobble, swabble. It's like this piece moves a little. This obviously it's probably all thread, and everything else fits perfectly tight. All I need is a thing for that. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll end it here. Thank you.